Good day to everyone, this is Mr. Loreto Llosala of torsec.com, and today I am going to create a video on how we can repair a device like this. So this is a portable DVD player that is around 2,000 pesos or $40 in US. So the main problem of this portable DVD player is that it doesn't read any disc and it produces a ticking sound when we put the disc in the tray. My first impression about this portable DVD player is that the laser inside of this is not working properly, and now we're going to repair it and see if it will work again. So we now have here the device that we need to repair. Then we will going to put a disc like this one to see if what will happen. So we'll open it and see. So it is now open. Then just going to close this one and see. So as you observe, it doesn't read any disc. Then when you open this one to show what will happen inside, so like that one, then we're just going to zoom it. Okay. So inside this, what is happening? Just going to remove this. So it doesn't even turning. So the problem is lies in this one. So this is the main problem. This is the reason why it is not working properly. So what we are going to do is that we are going to replace this one, this whole part, together with this. So here is the damaged part of our portable DVD player. As you can see, this part have damaged laser technology. So as you can see here, the laser is not working properly. And at the back part, you're going to see that it is moving freely, and supposed to be it should not. Like what I am showing in this video. So it should not be working like that. Then now what we're going to do is that we're going to replace it with the new one. So here is the old one, and we're going to replace it with the new one. So here is the new part for our portable DVD player. It came from my old portable, and we will use it in our device for it to run properly. So it is assured that it is working fine, and So now we're going to see that the portable DVD player is working properly and playing the video that we want.
Love, gising ka na please.
We are going to use a nail as our screwdriver because we don't have any available screwdriver here in Ireland. So it is a DIY screwdriver that we are going to use.